Hi guys, my name is Bulerwa Lisa. I am the host of Caregivers Connect. This stems from my experience as a caregiver. I was taking care of my son who was diagnosed with schizophrenia. As a parent, I went through a lot of emotions. There's grief, there's so much pain, there is shame, there's confusion, and there is silence, which is caused by the stigma that is associated with the illness. It becomes worse if you don't have a support system. Sometimes people, they are not supporting you because they don't know how to. That's why I created this platform for us to connect, to share and learn so that we support each other. So register on Zoom. I have an event on the 27th of April 2026 from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So let's come together to fight the stigma against mental illness. See you soon.